Picture yourself in the airport security line. The fluorescent lights hum overhead, casting a sterile glow on the scene. You're surrounded by a sea of faces, each etched with a mixture of anticipation and mild dread in the airport security line. Suitcases rumble along the conveyor belt, a symphony of travel anxiety. You know what I'm talking about, right? Juggling your boarding pass and ID, a delicate balancing act between preparedness and the fear of dropping everything. You clutch them tightly, these small pieces of paper and plastic that hold the key to your journey. And laptop, that essential piece of modern-day travel, precariously balanced in your other arm until you get to put it in the bin. You glance nervously at the growing pile of electronics in the security bin, hoping yours makes it through unscathed, only to hear, "Please remove your shoes and place them in a bin." The words echo through the checkpoint, a familiar command in the traveler's lexicon. It's a ritual we've all come to expect, a necessary if somewhat undignified part of the journey. We've learned to accept it, to factor it into our travel time, to brace ourselves for the inevitable. Balancing on one foot, a precarious pose as you wrestle with laces and zippers, trying to maintain your equilibrium and a semblance of grace. Rushing to keep the line moving, feeling the pressure of the crowd behind you, each person eager to reach their destination. The unspoken competition to be the most efficient traveler, and padding across a cold floor, especially without socks. The brief, uncomfortable sensation of tile against bare skin, a reminder of the impersonal nature of modern travel. For families, it's chaos, a symphony of crying babies, scattered toys, and frantic parents trying to keep everyone together. A true test of patience and resilience. For those with mobility issues, it's a real challenge. Navigating the maze of security with walkers, wheelchairs, or other aids, a reminder of the barriers that still exist in our world. We adapted. We learned to navigate this strange new world of travel. Wearing slip-ons, the footwear of choice for the savvy traveler, designed for speed and convenience. Packing extra socks just in case, a small act of preparedness against the unknown horrors of airport floors. And perfecting the art of reshoeing on the fly, a skill honed through countless airport security experiences, a true mark of a seasoned traveler. But what if I told you? This awkward dance is about to end, that the days of shoeless shuffling and laptop juggling are numbered. A major change is here, a revolution in airport security that promises to transform the way we travel, promising to make your airport journey smoother than ever. Get ready to experience a new era of travel, where security is seamless and stress-free. As of July 7, 2025, the TSA has ended the mandatory shoe removal policy at all U.S. airports. Now, every traveler, regardless of age or program status, can keep their shoes on through standard security. No more confusion or exceptions. This is a nationwide permanent change. The goal? A faster, more dignified, and less stressful screening for everyone. Of course, if the scanner detects something unusual, TSA officers may still ask you to remove your shoes for extra screening. But for the vast majority, the days of the airport shoe shuffle are over. It's a simple, universal update that makes travel easier for all. Why now, though? Why is this change happening at this particular moment in time? It's a question many travelers are asking, and the answer lies in a confluence of factors that have been developing behind the scenes for years. This isn't a sudden decision, but rather the culmination of extensive research, technological advancements, and a constant reevaluation of security protocols. The answer is technology. It's the driving force behind this evolution in airport security. The original shoe rule was a response to the 2001 shoe bomber threat, a very real and present danger at the time. In the immediate aftermath of that event, security measures were understandably reactive and broad in scope. Every precaution was taken to prevent a recurrence, and the shoe removal policy became a visible symbol of this heightened vigilance. But security tech has come a long way since then. We've moved from relying on basic X-ray machines to employing sophisticated imaging systems that can detect even the smallest anomalies. Today's advanced scanners using CT technology are a game changer. These machines create detailed three-dimensional images of the contents of your bag and even your shoes, providing security personnel with an unprecedented level of clarity. The machines can see inside your shoes without you even taking them off. They can identify potential threats with far greater accuracy than ever before, minimizing the need for intrusive and time-consuming manual checks. Years of testing and pilot programs, conducted in airports across the country, proved these machines are even more effective than the old X-rays. The data collected during these trials demonstrated a significant improvement in threat detection rates, while also reducing the number of false alarms. The result: the universal shoe removal rule is no longer necessary for safety. The enhanced capabilities of the new technology allow security personnel to focus their attention on genuine risks, rather than relying on a blanket policy that inconvenienced millions of travelers every day. This shift is part of the TSA's move towards smarter risk-based screening, a more intelligent and adaptive approach to security, focusing on real threats, not blanket rules. This means using data analysis and intelligence gathering to identify potential risks and allocate resources accordingly. Security is now more precise, more targeted, and the process is less burdensome for travelers. By streamlining the screening process and eliminating unnecessary steps, the TSA aims to create a more efficient and pleasant experience for everyone. It's a win for both safety and convenience. A testament to how technological advancements and strategic adjustments can lead to a more secure and traveler-friendly airport experience. The benefits are immediate and real. No more awkward balancing acts or cold, crowded reshoeing zones. Hygiene improves. No more walking barefoot where thousands have tread. Security lines move faster, with less fumbling and fewer bottlenecks. Families, seniors, and travelers with disabilities all get a smoother, more accessible experience. The process is more inclusive, less stressful, and simply more pleasant. It's a small change with a big impact on your journey. The airport just got a little friendlier for everyone. Remember the old way? Rushing to untie shoes, juggling bins, and scrambling to get dressed on the other side? It was stressful, inefficient, and undignified. Now you keep your shoes on, walk through the scanner, and collect your things with ease. The process is smoother, faster, and far less chaotic. No more bottlenecks or frantic reassembly zones. Security feels like a checkpoint, not an obstacle course. The difference is night and day. This is what airport security should feel like: quick, respectful, and hassle-free. As this new policy rolls out, here's what to expect. Listen to TSA officers. They'll guide you through any changes as systems adjust. While shoe removal is mostly gone, wear easy-to-manage shoes just in case you're selected for extra screening. You'll notice new, advanced scanners and updated signage at checkpoints. The process may look and feel different, but it's designed to be clearer and faster. A little patience goes a long way as everyone adapts. By staying informed and cooperative, you help make the transition smoother for all. Welcome to a new era of air travel. Enjoy the progress. The end of the shoe removal rule is more than just a simple policy update. It signifies a shift in how we approach air travel security. For years, passengers have had to endure the minor discomfort and the inconvenience of removing their shoes, a process that often felt tedious and at times even intrusive. It's a sign of smarter, more passenger-friendly travel, a move towards recognizing the importance of both security and the overall travel experience. This change reflects a broader understanding that security measures can be effective without being overly disruptive. Technology is rapidly evolving, making security both safer and more convenient. Advanced scanning systems can now detect threats without requiring passengers to disrobe or unpack their belongings. This change is part of a bigger movement, a comprehensive effort to modernize and streamline the entire airport experience. Airports are investing heavily in new technologies and infrastructure to improve efficiency and reduce wait times. From biometric boarding, which allows for quicker and more secure identification, to automated lanes that expedite the screening process, airports are leveraging innovation to enhance the passenger journey. And even more streamlined checkpoints are on the horizon, promising even faster and less intrusive security procedures. The goal is to create a seamless and stress-free experience for all travelers. Imagine a future where laptops and liquids stay in your bag too, eliminating the need to fumble with your belongings at the security line. This is not just a dream, it's a tangible goal that airports and security agencies are actively working towards. Each step forward makes flying easier and more accessible for everyone, regardless of their background or travel experience. These improvements are designed to benefit all passengers, creating a more inclusive and welcoming environment. So next time you travel, appreciate the progress. Your journey just got better. Take a moment to recognize the advancements that have made air travel more convenient and enjoyable. Keep your shoes on, Walk through with confidence, knowing that security measures are in place to protect you without causing unnecessary hassle. And if you really want to enjoy a seamless and smooth travel experience, grab my digital travel kit and digital travel bundle, jam-packed with so many hacks, tips, and secrets you shouldn't travel without. You will thank me later. The links are in the description. These will help you look forward to traveling without fear and enjoy a less stressful trip where you can focus on the excitement of your destination rather than the anxieties of the journey. Because in my travel bundle, you will get over 55 travel scenarios and how to solve them. Trust me, you don't want to leave home without this bundle and kit. Grab it now from the link in the description. And coming up in the next video is 7 travel secrets airlines don't want you to know. You will see the video at the top of the screen or in the description. Go watch it now so you can be better equipped for your next trip. I am your host, Cheryl, saying bye for now. Happy travels, and may your journey be filled with ease and enjoyment.